Hello, Jasmine. I just wanted to give you some feedback on your HTML website and then allow you to fix it and redo your CSS submission so that that has a chance of working. I'm not even going to look at that and grade that yet. But for your HTML that was due first, I just want to go through a couple of things. So on my screen, I'm in brackets on a Mac, but it's the same concept as Notepad. On your index page, I just wanted to go through this and show you some things that you need to fix. The head section, remember that's only things that the search engine sees, not stuff that you want to physically show up on your page. So the fact that you have a paragraph in here with an image in it makes no sense. That does not need to be there. The only thing that go in your head tags right now should be the title and the meta character set. Next week when you add your CSS, you're also going to have a line of code right here telling it that there's an external style sheet and to use it. So then in your body content, which is everything you see on the page, and there's a problem we have to fix with that also, depending on where you want that picture that was up here to show up, I'm guessing maybe you want it in your header and maybe within the site branding, the name of the business. So I'm going to put it after the heading 1 of your business name is where I'm going to paste that image back in. So you have a header that opens and closes. Within it, you have site branding that opens and closes with a heading 1 and a picture. That's great. And then you have a tagline that opens and closes with a paragraph. So that's perfect. Going back to your body tags, the overall body, that's everything that you see on the page. And you ended it before your footer. This closing body tag is the second to the last thing on a page always. It's down here. So everything between the body tags is what you physically see on the page. Now, it might have looked okay in your previews, but it really is not correct, and it could screw it up heavily. So body starts here, and it's the second to last thing to close. So we got through, I'm just going to put a space here. We got through your header. Then you have a body content with an opening and closed div, perfect. Heading 2, a paragraph with an image. And then as I click on these, I am not seeing this paragraph close anywhere. I don't know what's going on here. It seems to me that you need to add a closing paragraph, whoops, over here. Okay, now they light up in pairs. And then within your body content, you have some stuff and then your navigation. Typically, your navigation is the second thing on the page after your header. So this whole navigation section should be up higher on your page. So I'm going to cut it out of here, and I'm going to put it after your header. So here's your header, and the next thing that comes in is your navigation. What's this? Oops. And then the next thing that comes is your body content, and everything in here looks good after you've added that paragraph. And then your footer, and you have a div ID equals footer and a closing div, so this is kind of redundant. Since you used it as a div, you don't need to have that tag. So div ID is footer, and it closes right here. Inside it, in small type and emphasized or italicized, you have copyright and the breaks. You have an anchored email to yourself and another break. Perfect. So if you get this page fixed, your index page with the things I showed you, then go to your contact page and your about page and make those correct also. Do the same things. So the only thing that's going to change, make all the changes in the head, make sure you move your body tag, move the navigation up, close the body way down here. You can take out these double footer tags, you just need one of them. And then just double check that your body content, that's the stuff that changes page by page, looks good. And on your contact page, that's good. This one does not close out. Oh, yep, it does. I lied. It's right there. Never mind. Again, move your navigation out of the body content and up above it. And then that page should be good. And on your about page, Same thing, your navigation needs to be pulled out of the body content and put up here. And then just double check that you have opening and closing tags throughout here, which you do. So make those changes first, save them, and then go back and link your external CSS sheet to this by putting that line of code right here in the head section of all 3 pages. So fix it and then resubmit your CSS homework, please. Thank you.